In this video, I am going to show you how to fix audio only playing on one side in CapCut. This should be a quick and easy process. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. After you open CapCut and have your timeline ready, place the audio with the issue into the timeline. When you play the video, you can see that there are two audio channels playing and they are not equal. To fix this, click on the audio, scroll down, and look for channels. This will only work if your audio is set to stereo and not mono. When you click on it, you can see both channels working correctly, and it says the audio needs to be stereo in order to do this. Make sure your audio is in stereo mode, and this should fix the issue. This was an easy and quick process. As always, thank you for watching.